A major global aviation alert has been unfolding today after Airbus has issued a global worldwide aviation safety alert after its A320 family has been going through some technical glitches in its system, where right now at the Delhi IGI Airport Terminal 3 we'll try to show you some visuals of what the situation looks like here. We are not seeing any kind of impact as of yet, but we are seeing that the single aisle workhorse that powers thousands of flights daily across continents is going through a technical glitch. Now, this unprecedented move follows a recent mid-air incident where an A320 experienced an uncommanded pitch down. Airbus investigation traced the issue to a malfunctioning flight control computer, and combined with concerns that intense solar radiation may corrupt critical control data, regulators have also ordered immediate action. The European Union Aviation Safety Agency has triggered emergency airworthiness directive, forcing airlines across the world from Europe to Asia to America to ground, inspect and upgrade affected aircrafts. Operators have also said that they must replace the faulty elevator aileron computer and run mandatory software updates before allowing the jets back into commercial service. Now, for passengers who are trying to travel via Air India and Indigo in India, because these two are the airlines that use Airbus A320 majorly, we know by now that there are almost 700 flights that are from the A320 family. So these people may in fact go through and may have to in fact go through these issues of delays and also tight airline schedules, because we are seeing that all the A320 flights may have to go through upgradation, and also will have to in fact ensure that all the systems, the flight operating radar, are right now operating in a very safe manner. And for now we are seeing that the airline has issued a statement in its Twitter handle and has said that passenger safety remains the priority for the airlines. And as we are seeing that the Airbus has issued this kind of advisory, we can clearly see that the ripple effect can be seen not just in India but across the globe, because we do know that almost 10,000 of flights belong from the Airbus family. We are showing you that in India right now there has been no impact, but yes, because we do know that if in India also the Airbus A320 will have to go through major upgradation. People and passengers who are about to travel via Air India and also Indigo, they might have to suffer from some delays, and also because of the upgradation, these flight schedules can be a little tighter than what it used to be before. With camera person Mukesh Kumar, this is Anushka Garg for NDTV.